To import an Excel spreadsheet into Google Sheets, all you do is open up Google Sheets, click on blank, go to File and down to Import. Now I want to upload an Excel spreadsheet that I've already created, so I click on the Upload tab here and I can click on the blue Select a File from your device button here and just navigate to the file, or I can just drag and drop, which I'm going to do. I've got it open here. So this is an Excel spreadsheet and I'm just dragging and dropping it. It'll upload. And you've got some import options here. You can choose Create New Spreadsheet, Insert New Sheets, or Replace Spreadsheet. This is a blank spreadsheet, so I can just choose Replace Spreadsheet and click on Import Data. And there we go. We've imported my Excel spreadsheet into Google Sheets and it's got all the formatting and it's ready for me to use. All I have to do now is name it whatever I want.